Shiny Bird will get your car clean, dry, and shiny.
Good morning, Cocoa Beach. Welcome to Friday, March 20th, 2015. Sunrise at 7:26 a.m., sunset 7:33 p.m. Today we have mostly sunny on the weather radar screen, sunshine and few clouds, slight chance of shower late. Today, high around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for today, if you get to Shiny Bird Car Wash between the hours of 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., looks like it's going to be 0% precipitation, between 70 degrees to 79 degrees. So come on by Shiny Bird Car Wash. We'll get your car clean, dry, and shiny. As always, our friendly team awaits your arrival.
Shiny Bird will get your car clean, dry, and shiny.